stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back for another quick update on baked beans. So right now we have 20,459 BNB contracts. So she's continuing to grow at a rapid rate. BNB value currently is at $8.7 million. Guys, I still think this is still early. The DeFi space is definitely picking up a lot more popularity. So baked beans is still operating. I did a video a few days ago, and I think I was earning about $325 a day. So let me check. Let's do an update on my income on baked beans. I'm going to go ahead and rebake since I'm here. My goal is I'm trying to get to 1 billion. I'm trying to get to 1 billion beans. But this is easy. You reinvest 6 days and you withdraw 1 day, and your rewards are going to continue to grow. So this is a sweet situation, guys. It's not too early to get in. Let's capitalize. Put some money in your pocket. Let's do a quick update. Let's see what my current daily income is. Based off of 377 million beans. So I'm about 552 a day. So I'm about 5 days into compounding. I'm going to compound the next 25 days, and I'll be at 51.43 a day. And then what I plan on doing is withdrawing once a week. So as you withdraw once a week, your income continues to just grow. So guys, it won't take long to get to $10,000 a day. So that's my plan, is to continue to reinvest for the next 25 days. Put money in these platforms that you can afford to lose. So I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a guy showing you what I do to create that cash flow. But recompounding is definitely going to increase your income. So I'm going to stop here today. I'll share the link. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, signing off.